Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make image smaller or larger, or basically twist it how you like it in Photopea. First things first, I went to Photopea.com and create a new project. What we want to do now, we want to basically just upload the image that we want to play around with. We don't want to have this image as a basically layer. So we just upload this picture like this. And as you can see, now simply we can make it larger or smaller, or we can even twist it upside down. It's very easy to do that like this. Especially I have a new project in here, so if we crop it out, you see it has no background, so we don't have to basically erase the white spots around the image. We can go and turn off the RGB, for example, and as you can see you have only red and blue, or like this. When we add green or basically remove blue, you see you can play around with it as well. But about this one, when we see the emblem, we can turn it off, turn it on, and play around how we like it. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.